everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on Suno. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Suno and you will click here in this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.